Colombian Cri-Cri MC-15 is a true marvel of aviation engineering, holding the title of the smallest twin-engine airplane in the world. Designed by French engineer Michel Colomban, this little powerhouse has a wingspan of just 5.4 meters and weighs only 180 kilograms. What makes it even more impressive is its twin-engine configuration, which is quite rare in such a small plane. It's not just about size, though. The Cri-Cri is known for its surprising agility and stability in the air, making it a favorite among home builders and aviation enthusiasts. Although small, the Cri-Cri is a capable flyer, and its appearance at air shows always draws a crowd. Despite its small footprint, the Cri-Cri MC-15 can perform aerobatic maneuvers with ease, proving that sometimes the smallest aircraft have the biggest personalities. The Stitz SA-2 A Sky Baby, an aircraft that, at first glance, looks like something out of a retro sci-fi movie. Designed by Jim Stitz in the 1960s, the Sky Baby holds the distinction of being one of the lightest and smallest airplanes ever created. Weighing just 240 pounds and featuring a wingspan of just 5.5 meters, this single-seat aircraft is a minimalist's dream. Powered by a small engine, the Sky Baby is capable of speeds up to 100 miles per hour. And while it's not exactly built for long-haul flights, its impressive maneuverability and low cost made it popular among experimental aircraft builders. With its simple, no-frills design, the Sky Baby embodies the spirit of the home-built aircraft community, offering a unique flying experience in a package that can fit into just about any hangar. The Bumble Bee II takes the cake. This diminutive jet was built by Robert H. Starr in 1984, and it's one of the smallest jet airplanes ever constructed. Despite its size, just 3.5 meters wide, it features a fully functioning jet engine and can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. The Bumble Bee II was a test of engineering ingenuity, as Starr had to overcome several challenges, such as balancing the aircraft's weight, ensuring stability, and fitting all the necessary components into such a tiny frame. The Bumble Bee II has become a symbol of extreme engineering, showing that even with limited space, you can still create something powerful and remarkable. Though it's not an everyday aircraft, its place in aviation history is firmly secured, and its uniqueness continues to fascinate those who love to see aviation push boundaries. The BD-5 is another aircraft that's truly one of a kind. Known for its sleek, jet-like design, the BD-5 made a splash in the 1960s when it was first developed by Jim Bede. It's a small, single-seat aircraft that could reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest home-built aircraft of its time. The BD-5's aerodynamic shape and small footprint gave it the ability to perform sharp turns and aerobatic stunts with precision. Though it became famous for appearing in the James Bond movie Octopussy, the BD-5's journey was not without challenges. Despite its success in the films, it faced numerous technical difficulties, particularly with its engines. Despite that, the BD-5's design remains an icon, and many home builders still admire it for its innovative spirit. The SpaceX SD-1 Minisport is an ultralight aircraft that truly delivers on the promise of simplicity and performance. Created by Czech engineer Josef Spacek in the 1980s, the SD-1 is a small, single-seat aircraft with an emphasis on efficiency and fun. It has a wingspan of just 7.5 meters and is incredibly lightweight, making it a great choice for recreational pilots who want a low-cost, easy-to-fly machine. Despite its small size, the SD-1 offers impressive fuel efficiency, making it a fantastic option for pilots who want to fly without breaking the bank. Its minimalist design means that it's relatively easy to build, and it's often chosen by home builders looking for an affordable and enjoyable flying experience. The SD-1 Minisport is perfect for those who love flying for the sake of flying, with a design that's both functional and fun. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser. This home-built plane has become a popular choice among pilots who want to experience the freedom of flight without the hefty price tag. With its simple, no-nonsense design, the Ultra Cruiser offers excellent maneuverability and impressive fuel efficiency. Weighing just 254 pounds and featuring a wingspan of 8.5 meters, it's light enough to fit into the ultralight category, meaning it doesn't require a pilot's license to fly. It's perfect for short flights, and its ease of operation makes it ideal for both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts. The Hummel Ultra Cruiser is a true example of how home-built aircraft can offer incredible value without sacrificing performance or fun. The AeroWorks. Aerolite 103 is another ultralight that stands out for its simplicity and outstanding performance. Weighing just over 250 pounds, it falls squarely into the FAA's ultralight category, meaning it's both lightweight and easy to operate. With a wingspan of 10 feet and a maximum speed of about 55 miles per hour, the Aerolite 103 is ideal for recreational flights or short-distance travel. It's also one of the easiest home-built planes to assemble, making it a favorite among aviation enthusiasts who enjoy working on their own aircraft. Designed for solo flights, the Aerolite 103 features an open cockpit and a single small engine, which allows it to soar through the sky with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the world for a quiet flight, or simply want to enjoy the sensation of flight, the Aerolite 103 is the perfect companion. The Bowers Flybaby is a classic in the world of home-built aircraft. Designed in the 1960s by Jim Bowers, the Flybaby has become a symbol of the golden age of aviation, offering a vintage experience that's hard to beat. This taildragger design is known for its stability, simplicity, and ease of control, making it a popular choice for pilots who enjoy a more hands-on flying experience. It's a low-wing monoplane with a wingspan of 8.2 meters, and it's powered by a small engine that gives it a top speed of about 100 miles per hour. The Flybaby's open cockpit design and straightforward controls offer a nostalgic flying experience, allowing pilots to truly connect with their aircraft. It's not just a plane, it's a piece of aviation history. The Kolb Firefly is an aircraft that blends performance and practicality in a way few others can. This ultralight plane is a taildragger, meaning it has a tail wheel instead of a nose wheel, which gives it a distinctive look and handling characteristics. Known for its rugged construction and short takeoff and landing capabilities, the Firefly can handle a variety of environments, from grass fields to more rugged terrains. Powered by a small engine, the Firefly reaches speeds of up to 85 miles per hour, and its sturdy build makes it an ideal choice for adventure seekers and bush pilots. It's also incredibly fuel efficient, allowing for longer flights without worrying about fuel costs. With its versatility and durability, the Kolb Firefly is perfect for pilots who love to explore new horizons, even if that means landing on a makeshift strip in the middle of nowhere. The Equator P2 Excursion is a remarkable aircraft designed with the ability to operate in extremely rugged conditions. It's a short takeoff and landing stall aircraft that is ideal for accessing remote locations where traditional planes can't operate. With its large, high-lift wings and powerful engine, the P2 Excursion can take off and land in very short distances, making it the perfect aircraft for backcountry exploration or even search and rescue missions. It's designed to be highly maneuverable in tight spaces, offering pilots the ability to navigate challenging environments with ease. Whether it's flying over mountainous terrain, landing on a narrow dirt strip, or exploring untouched wilderness, the Equator P2 Excursion ensures that adventure is always within reach. The Sonex Onyx, a thrilling and unique home-built aircraft that has taken the aviation community by storm. The Onyx is a single-seat, low-wing aircraft that's perfect for those who want to experience the joy of building and flying their own plane. What really sets the Onyx apart is its innovative folding wing design, which allows it to be easily stored and transported without taking up much space. This feature is especially great for pilots who may not have access to a hangar or for those who want to take their aircraft on the go. Powered by a reliable engine, the Onyx is nimble easy to handle, and a real joy to fly. Its affordable price tag and ability to deliver a rewarding flight experience make it a popular choice among home builders and aviation enthusiasts looking for an exciting project. Whether you're just starting out in aviation or you're an experienced pilot looking for something more personal, the Sonex Onyx provides an incredible balance of simplicity, fun, and performance. The Nisus gyroplane, a rotorcraft that offers a completely different kind of flying experience compared to traditional airplanes. A gyroplane, also known as an autogyro, uses unpowered rotors that generate lift, while the engine provides forward thrust. This design gives the aircraft unique handling characteristics and makes it much more fuel efficient than a helicopter. The Nisus gyroplane is incredibly stable and maneuverable, providing pilots with a smooth, enjoyable flight, even in turbulent conditions. This aircraft is perfect for those who want to experience the thrill of rotorcraft flight without the expense and complexity of a helicopter. The design of the Nisus is both modern and sleek, offering an agile flight experience with the ability to take off and land in short distances. For pilots looking for something different from conventional planes and helicopters, the Nisus gyroplane presents an exciting and innovative way to take to the skies. The AIR-1, an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that is set to change the way we think about transportation in crowded cities. The AIR-1 is designed to carry passengers over urban landscapes, bypassing the gridlock of road traffic. Thanks to its fully electric design, it provides a smooth, emission-free flight, reducing carbon emissions and offering a quieter and more efficient form of transportation. The vertical takeoff and landing capability means that the AIR-1 doesn't need runways or helipads, an important feature for crowded urban environments. It can take off and land on a small rooftop or a designated landing pad. The Cirrus G2 Plus Vision Jet is one of the most sophisticated personal jets on the market, offering a perfect blend of performance, safety, and luxury. This single-engine jet is designed for individuals and small businesses that want to fly in comfort without the complexity and high costs of traditional multi-engine jets. The Vision Jet is powered by a single Williams FJ 33-5A engine, which allows it to cruise at speeds of up to 300 knots and cover distances of more than 1,200 miles. But what really sets the Vision Jet apart is its whole airframe parachute system, a safety feature that's unique to Cirrus aircraft. In the unlikely event of an emergency, the parachute can safely lower the aircraft to the ground, offering pilots and passengers an added layer of security. The sleek design, combined with advanced avionics and an easy-to-fly control system, makes the Vision Jet an excellent choice for those who want to experience private jet travel with a focus on safety and ease of operation. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, the Cirrus G2 Plus Vision Jet delivers an unforgettable experience. The Fregata J6 is an aircraft you won't want to miss. The Fregata J6 is a high-performance aerobatic biplane that's built for precision maneuvers, speed, and agility. This aircraft's lightweight build, powerful engine, and streamlined design allow it to perform extreme aerobatic maneuvers, such as loops, rolls, and spins, with unmatched stability and control. Whether you're competing in air shows or simply practicing aerobatic techniques, the J6 is designed to handle the most challenging and demanding flying. It's not just a machine built for show, it's also engineered to endure the high G-forces and stresses associated with aerobatic flight. The Fregata J6's combination of impressive performance and rugged build makes it a favorite among top aerobatic pilots and aviation enthusiasts alike. The Archaeopteryx Electro is a revolutionary electric-powered aircraft that represents the future of sustainable aviation. This two-seat aircraft is designed for both leisure flying and training, offering a quiet, emissions-free alternative to traditional piston-powered planes. The Electro's innovative electric motor provides a smooth and efficient flying experience, with significantly lower operating costs, compared to conventional aircraft. It's also much quieter, reducing noise pollution around airports and flight training areas. The Archaeopteryx Electro is a fantastic option for flight schools looking to teach new pilots in an environmentally friendly way, and for recreational pilots who want to enjoy the skies without a hefty carbon footprint. As electric aviation continues to grow, the Archaeopteryx Electro is helping to pave the way for greener, more sustainable flying in the future. The Jetson 1, an electric personal flying vehicle that brings us closer than ever to the dream of flying cars. With its lightweight design, the Jetson 1 is built for short-range, vertical takeoff and landing VTOL flights. The aircraft has 8 electric motors that provide stability and thrust, and it's controlled by a joystick for a simple, intuitive flying experience. While it's small and compact, the Jetson 1 can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour and is capable of flying for about 20 minutes on a single charge. This makes it ideal for quick, personal flights over cities, parks, or open landscapes. It's incredibly easy to learn how to operate, so whether you're a novice or experienced pilot, you can take to the skies in no time. The Jetson 1 is a true glimpse into the future of personal aviation, and while it's not quite a mass-market vehicle yet, it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of flying vehicles. The OpenSky M-02J is a Japanese-designed electric ultralight aircraft that's all about efficiency, simplicity, and fun. This tandem two-seater features a high-wing design that improves aerodynamics and stability, making it a great choice for recreational flying and flight training. The M-02J is powered by an electric motor, providing a quiet and environmentally friendly flying experience with 0 emissions. Its lightweight construction, combined with the electric propulsion system, makes it an incredibly cost-effective aircraft with low operating and maintenance costs. Perfect for short flights, this aircraft offers an easy-to-handle, energy-efficient way to get in the air, all while reducing your carbon footprint. The OpenSky M-02J is a fantastic choice for pilots who want an affordable, eco-friendly way to explore the skies while enjoying the freedom of flight. The Subsonex JSX-1 is an experimental personal jet that pushes the envelope in terms of speed and performance. This small, compact jet is powered by a small but powerful engine, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. The JSX-1 combines the thrill of flying a jet with the agility and control of a light aircraft. Its lightweight design and advanced aerodynamics make it an ideal choice for pilots who want to experience the excitement of jet flight without the complexity and cost of larger commercial jets. Designed for aviation enthusiasts who crave speed and performance, the JSX-1 delivers a thrilling, high-speed flying experience that's hard to match. Whether you're looking to break the sound barrier or simply enjoy the rush of jet flight, the Subsonex JSX-1 offers an unparalleled adventure in the sky. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the digital world is full of endless possibilities. Until next time, this is Digital Explorer.